And now, brought to you by Brave. Baby, I need your love right now. And baby, I want to show you how. Come on. You know that we've waited long enough, and now it's time. I to be lover. I tried to be only one with you, and it's hard, but if it's worth it all for you, and it hurts making me wait for you this way. I can't go on. So come on and take